Here I have a Lenovo ThinkPad. It's a Yoga X390 Yoga. As you can see down there, very faint. So basically, so what I'm interested in getting this Windows 10 upgraded to 11. So check hardware requirements. So what I've done here was I downloaded a check, guideline in check, Windows 11 checker, update checker. Going to downloads, and here it is. If I double click on this, you can get this from the Microsoft website, by the way. So it is now installing this, and this will tell me if I can upgrade my Windows to 11, and if not, whereabout is it failing on. So here you got Windows Update, battery capacity, storage capacity, and all that stuff. Click on check now. It's going to run the check. Doesn't seem to currently meet the Windows 11 system requirements. Basically, because this TPM2 must be supported and enabled on this PC. So just because it's not enabled on this PC doesn't mean it has the ability. Doesn't mean it doesn't have the ability to be used. So it could still be, the functionality could still be on the computer, built into the system, but it's just not enabled. So what is this TPM? It's a security functionality that's installed on the chip. Stands for Trusted Platform Module 2, and it allows things like BitLocker and other methods to that's what they use in order to BitLocker uses the TPM in order to function. So what it is, it's like a piece of architecture that's built into the chip. It's like a security architecture that's built into the processor in order to function, and this is what is required by Windows 11. So I'm going to show you the example how you can get this put on your system if you don't already have it. So so different ways you can have a look at to find this will come on, to turn this on, to enable this. First thing is to go into the type and search and go to tpm.msc, tap enter. Compatible TPM cannot be found on this computer. Verify that his computer has a TPM 1.2 or later, and it is turned on in the BIOS. So this tells us that, already tells us something that you could turn it on. It might be turned off in the BIOS. So another way you can do is go to Start, Settings, go to Windows Security, click on Device Security, and also on there there's no possible option for it. So what we're going to have to do now is go to Start. No, you go back and go to Recovery, still on the Settings, and click on Advanced Startup. Restart. So we're going to do it. We're going to attempt to go into the BIOS and have a look at the option for it to be enabled there. So we go to Troubleshoot. UEFI firmware settings. Yes. You can restart on that. Wait for that to boot up. So this is fairly a modern computer, so I expect it to be to have the functionality there. So if you go to on here, this is the BIOS. We go to Settings, Security, sorry, and then obviously looking down that password, fingerprints, yeah, security chip. That's what we want. So we click on that. Security chip type TPM2, security chip turned off, so I want to click turn that on. We've turned that on. Amazing. So I also want to turn this on. Intel, I don't know what this is actually. Trusted execution technology is a hardware-based security foundation to build and maintain a chip of trust to protect information from software-based attacks. So I'm also going to click on that because that sounds like it's related. Yep, you can do that. So now I'm going to click on F10 to save and see what's going to give me. Press changes, save changes, yes. So now it's booting back up into Windows. So there we go. So I'm going to go back into the Windows check, double click on that. Check now, see results. This PC meets Windows 11 requirements. Fantastic. So now we can download Windows 11. So I'm not too sure exactly how we can get Windows 11 on here, but this is not the whole point of this video. It's just to regarding the security chip functionality. That's what I want to show you. So I'm just going to click on this anyway, checking out for free upgrade. Allow, yes, open. Check for updates. No, it doesn't look like it's available at the moment, but I'm pretty sure you can get it off the website, Microsoft website, in order to download that. But hey, it's going to be a matter of time until the update is available. But the hard part is done. We've put on TPM, Trusted Platform Module, enabled that. So yeah, if you ever run into that glitch and your computer is not old, it's not too old, under within 5 years old, then there's a good chance that you can get Windows 11. So I hope this video has helped you. Praise for watching this, and wish you great things for the future. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and comment. Take care. Bye for now.